Hi everyone, welcome to Krish Chemistry. I have already covered and completed all the inductive effect theory portion in my previous videos. Now we are going to do the questions on inductive effect. One thing I assure you, if you haven't watched my videos yet, please go and watch the videos, because after watching the videos you can see this video, because this video is totally depend on those two videos. And one thing I assure you, that if you follow my videos, you don't need to worry about your questions in your competitive examinations, right? I'm going to explain you totally 3 questions here. Okay, so I have questions with me. Just 1 minute. I have questions in my mobile phone. I will take that. And if you follow these questions, right, if you follow these questions, I will explain you through trick, because I have given tricks to you. We are preparing for the competitive examinations. So in these competitive examinations we have very less time, right? In fraction of seconds we have to give answer for those questions. So we have to go through tricks. So that I'm going to explain you these 3 questions through trick as well as conceptually, so that you can do any question, right? So first of all, listen these 3 questions and practice so many questions by yourself. You can get so much confidence, right? Okay, so I have questions with me. Just 1 minute. Okay, now the first question was, what is the first question? Order of minus I effect. Order of minus I effect. So here I have given the tricks. These all 4 tricks of minus I effect I have given in my previous video. Okay, I have written here. Now order of minus I effect, you have to find out. More than one answer also you can have, right? So the first option, NO2 CN COOH. First of all, I will explain this question using trick. Okay, now first of all, NO2 CN COOH. Second trick you have to use. Here see, NO2 means note. I have given this trick already. So note South Hyderabad. First of all, note NO2, NO2. This is the minus I groups. Why these are? First of all, we have to know whether these 3 groups are minus I groups or plus I groups. I have given you the trick. What is that? Pradhan Mantri pockets filled with positive atoms. Pradhan Mantri pockets filled with positive atoms. Non-Pradhan Mantri pockets filled with negative atoms. Pradhan Mantri pockets means polar pi bonds. NO2 polar pi bond, CN polar pi bond, COOH polar pi bond. So these 3 are minus I groups. First of all, okay. So given minus I groups, so you don't need to worry which is minus and which is plus I. You have to just find out the order. Now NO2. Second trick, note NO2 South Hyderabad SO3H, cinema CN. Cinema CN. So CN is here. Okay, CN is moving to all, right? Is reaching to all. All means aldehyde. Karnataka ketone is reaching to all Karnataka. Ca carboxylic acid. Ca and Ac people. Ca means carboxylic acid. Here carboxylic acid. So this order is correct according to the trick 2. Next, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. This third trick, Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi means acetamide. Found means fluorine. Okay, both class and boss people in India. Both class means chlorine, boss means bromine. In India means iodine. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Using this trick, this order is also correct option. Next, NH3 plus, NH2Me plus, NHMe2 plus. See the first trick. North people are fighting, that is NF3 plus. North people are fighting for north rights. North rights means NR3 plus. South people rights, SR2 plus, are in north hands, NH3 plus, right? So that means NH3 plus is not greater than NR3, because in this NR3, in the place of this NR3, we can have NH2Me or NHMe2. So NR3 plus is greater than NH3 plus. According to this trick, this is not the correct option. Now this trick, fourth trick, you can see here, this is in east ester, in east, ether means ether, in east eth, alkasing, alcohol, alkising, alkyne, alkising, alkyne, see alkyne, alkising, and Finland singers, ph here, Finland singers, and my friend alkene participated, so here alkene. So this order is also correct. So according to these tricks, we have solved this question. Now, what is the conceptual explanation? Simple. Here NO2, right? N has positive charge. Structure N double bond O, single bond O minus. So here N has positive charge. First of all, you have to know, whenever the atom with positive charge is always give minus I, atom with negative charge will always give plus I. Second, the atom with positive charge or atom with negative charge will show more inductive effect. If the atom with positive charge so the atom with positive charge will show more minus effect irrespective of electronegativity of the atom and percentage of S character. So in this 3, here the atom with positive charge, so it will show more minus effect first. Now in this 2, this CN, C triple bond N, so this is sp hybridized, this is sp hybridized, this COOH, C double bond OH, this is sp2 hybridized. So percentage of S character for this carbon is higher. When percentage of S character is higher, electronegativity is higher. When electronegativity is higher, minus I effect is higher. So according to that concept, this is correct option. Next, when we have more electronegative atom, more minus I. Here fluorine more electronegative, then chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. So this is also correct. Next, last one, here sp hybridized carbon atom, percentage of S character is higher, right? So here sp2 hybridized carbon atom, here sp2 hybridized carbon atom, right? So according to that, this is the first one. Next, in this 2, you have to follow the trick. You have to follow the 4th trick. So this is about the first question. Next, second question, if you see, again you have to tell about the order of inductive effect. It might plus I or minus I effect. So first option, given alkyl group, so alkyl group always show plus I effect. So you have to compare plus I effect here. Here CH3, SiH3. So in carbon and silicon, carbon next to silicon in group, so silicon less electronegative. We know more electronegative atom will show minus I, less electronegative atom will show plus I, right? So that this is less electronegative, so it will show more plus I effect. So this is the plus I order. So this is the correct option. Next one, Nr3 plus, OR2 plus. We have positive charge on atom. That means positive charged atoms will show always minus I. So you have to compare the minus I order here. So in minus I order, this nitrogen has plus charge, oxygen has plus charge. So we can't do anything. Now here nitrogen, here oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative atom. Whenever we have more electronegative atom, more minus I. So this is also correct option. Now here Nr3 plus. I already said you, the atom with positive charge will show more minus I irrespective of the electronegativity. That means Nr3 plus should have more minus I than OR and fluorine, but it is reverse. So this is not the correct option. Next, here SR, OR, OR2 plus, atom with positive charge will show more minus I than OR and SR. In OR and SR, oxygen is more electronegative than sulfur. So it will show more minus I than this. So this is the correct option. Okay, so these are the 2 questions. I have another question in my mobile. Okay, just wait. Okay, I hope you people clear so far. Next question. Next question. I'm writing here. You have to tell about the order of minus I effect. Order of minus I. So the first option, CN, fluorine, bromine, chlorine, COOH, iodine, hydrogen. So hydrogen always show plus I. Okay, COOH, CN, fluorine, bromine, chlorine, iodine, hydrogen. Next, hydrogen, COOH, CN, iodine, chlorine, fluorine, bromine. Next, CN, COOH, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, hydrogen. So this is the question, right? So in minus I, now you have to tell about the order. First of all, we are seeing this halogens. So halogen order in minus I, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, but here fluorine, bromine. So this is not the correct option. Here fluorine, bromine, not the correct option. Here iodine, chlorine, not the correct option. Here see fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So this is the correct option. Next, if you see here CN, in the second trick, cinema, and here all ketone AC and Ca. So here COOH. So after cinema it is COOH. So CN COOH. It is correct. So after this one third trick, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So this is the correct option. This is the correct option according to the trick also. And also here fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, more electronegative trend. So according to this, the order, the correct option is this. So these three questions I have discussed because I can't discuss more questions as I have very small board, right? But one thing I should again, I'm telling you, if you follow my classes, you don't need to worry about the questions. 100% I'm telling you, you can do any question if you have everything which I taught you in my previous classes regarding this inductive effect. You can do any question. Still, if you have any doubt, if you feel any difficulty in doing the questions, please send your questions to my mail krishchemistry123@gmail.com, or if you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment sections. You don't need to worry about anything. Okay, so these are the three questions I discussed today. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.